Hi, my name is Matthias Peter and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you on why I want to start my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel back in 2010 and most of my videos involve church activities and also my favorite pastime. And this year, I want to make some changes to that. So I started with some productivity tips when you're working from home. So my content might change later on because I'm still looking into my niche myself and to improve my content also. Why I want to start my YouTube channel? So first of all is about my communication skill. So I am actually not very comfortable talking in front of the camera. So with this exercise of taking videos of myself at home and upload regularly, I actually feel the improvement of my journey towards my YouTube channel. And also when you always upload your videos into YouTube, at the same time you will increase your confidence when you are talking. That is the second point, which is to be confident. So being confident is a skill, and to improve on your confidence you need to keep on practice. So by using talking head to head in front of the camera, I feel more confident and I am able to improve my self in many ways as well. Other than that, I also want to improve on telling stories to everyone. So by doing this exercise, not only you improve on your communication skill, your confidence level, telling better stories is one of the important aspects in talking to the camera. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like more content about vlogging like this, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you on the next video.